Okay, everybody stand. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. What is here? On good morning. Okay, you see that? How was your exam? Your exam, your on exam was like hard? Easy? Not easy. Really? Oh, easy. No. No? No? Why? What's the question? It's very easy. Oh, okay. Try it out. Very good. Very good. And then, Chinese. Easy? What's wrong? Oh, okay. So, by the way, why is it by batch? I mean, not all of you went there to the exam. Okay, actually, on the first day was Monday. Before my time, I went down here and asked and looked where is M3. Don't know M3 here. They asked if there's like the thing says we're not here on it and it lasts until the afternoon. So I don't know not all of them like that day. So I didn't have here on my time. Okay. So let's go to our lesson now. But at least you finished your audit exam. I hope. What do you think is the outcome? Fail. Fail. Why? Because. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now we're going to have a topic for today. Okay. What do you think of that? The last topic. The last topic, okay, it is probability. Probability. Something, will it happen or will it not? Example, yesterday, you said on it. What is the probability that you will pass? 50-50. No. So you're not sure. 20-80. 20-80. Oh. Okay. Now, let's talk more about that. So the first topic one is, let's read the one. Events and outcomes. What is event? Event is something that is happening. Okay, event. Outcomes. Result. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay. Let's talk more about. Let's have a flashback. I have here. Can you read that? I have here also those letters. O. What else? O. Wait. That is. O. U. What else? O-M-E. Okay. I will shuffle the cards. Okay, I will give prize up. There is only one E. Those who will get E, I will give prize up. Testing. Let's try. Please get one. Oh! Wow! Again. Get one. T. Get one. You. Get one. pick a card randomly. Okay, so what was even? What did we do? Huh? Random. We? What did you do?
Grabbing.
What did you do? You pick. So what did you do just now? You pick a card randomly. Okay? That was even. Okay, the experiment is about picking a card randomly. It's the event. Okay. Okay. And what are the possible outcomes?
2-0.
2-0. We will get probably an O. What else? Outcomes. What do you pick? You pick what? E. She pick E. Outcome pick E. What did you pick? T. Next outcome, she pick T. You pick U. So possible outcomes, you pick O. What else? You pick U. You pick T. You pick 1. Okay? That's a possible outcome. That's a possible result. Okay? One more. What's this? What? Nice. This is hard or soft? Also. Wait. Okay. Now, let's try that. I will roll the dice. Okay. Can you guess what number? 4. Can you guess? 3. Okay, come and guess right. 3, 2. No 6? What? 8. Okay, let's try that. Oh, no, ready. Let's try that. What else? One more. One more guess. Come on. 5. 3. On the table. 3. Okay. And you got present now. 4 and 5 correct. Okay. Now question. What is it then? What do we do?
Grabbing.
There's no guess. What do we do? We randomly. Okay, pick one, guess one. Guess one of the number of the dice. And then possible outcomes. No. Outcomes. Correct, yeah. So possible outcomes is you will get 1. What else? You will get 2. Then you will get. Then 4, 5, 6. Those are the outcomes. Just like this. We have the card OUTCOME. What was it then? Pick a card randomly. Possible outcomes, you will get OUTCOME. That's a possible outcome. Just like your exam yesterday. Honest exam. What's the event? Honest exam. Possible outcomes, pass or fail. Not today. What do we do today? The second experiment. The dice. Okay. Now, possible outcomes. Can we get number 1? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Next. Please read boys number 2. B.
An odd number, yes or no?
Can we get an odd number? Yes. What are the odd numbers here? What are the odd numbers? Next question. Girls, wait, question number 3.
A number more than 10 is obsolete.
Can we get a number more than 10?
No.
No. Why? Because
It have one dice.
because only one dice, and one dice is only 1 to 6 number. No. Okay. What's next? Okay. And event. Everybody read. What is event? Meaning? An event. An event happening will often have possible outcomes. For example, okay, I am here. I will change my PowerPoint. Wait.
สุ่มเป็ด
Okay, what is event? Event is racing. Particularly what event? A 100-meter race. Okay. Possible outcomes. Who will win? Say everyone from 1 to 8 possible winner. Okay? Do you think there will be a tie? Huh? No, it's not possible. But is it possible or possible? No. It happens never. Actually, with the technology now, it is somehow impossible to have a tie because they have camera to see who the first one next. How about so the event, 100-meter race, outcome, anyone, event time. How about this? What do you think is the event? Singing. Singing what? Singing. What next? Hey, please read. Go. Okay, event is singing competition. Very good. Okay. Possible outcomes. Winner. Who will be the winner? Diao. Hey, Diao wins competition. Possible. What else? Jane what? Jane wins competition. Next. Possible outcomes. Hot what? Hot wins the competition. Next. Jill wins competition. Okay? Understand? Event and outcome. Okay? So event is what is happening and outcomes possible result. Okay? So again, here's my PowerPoint. This is that. Okay. I just chase it. Okay. Listen else. But before you do this, we have a special lesson. Okay. Wait. Are you happy, class? Yes, are you happy? Do you know the secrets of being happy? What? You said you're happy, so what? Why are you happy? Huh? Okay, two people. Oh, what else? Are you happy? Happy. Ah, this is the reason. happy. Who's sad here?
What's that?
Who's sad? Who's sad?
I don't have boyfriend.
Oh! So meaning if you have boyfriend, you'll be happy.
She's all mine.
Yes, sad too, right?
I lost my money by gambling.
Okay. So please read the topic. Yay! The special topic is read down. So agency and economy from the perspective of His Majesty King Ramadan. All secrets about happiness. You said you're not happy. How to be happy? Okay. According to King Ramadan, there's a secret to be happy. Okay? So if you're sad, just listen to this and you will be happy. Let's see, right? Okay. Class, what is progress? Progress. Hello. What's progress? Progress. Okay, let's have the meaning. Let's read the meaning. Go. Forward or onward movement toward destination. So we can define progress by the meaning forward, onward movement toward the destination. How do we count this? Example. Example destination or goal. Can you give me some of your goal? Goal. Destination. Go. To have a boyfriend. Jackpot in jackpot in the lottery. What else? Destination. I gave you a simple one. This one. Go to Japan. You want to get scores for on your final grade. It's your goal. Okay. Next is what is the forward or onward movement? So what are you going to do? To have reached your destination or your goal. What are you going to do? Study hard. What else? More? What else? What else? Study hard.
Yeah.
What else? What do you remember? Remember what? Remember the lessons? Pay attention.
Who are you?
Teacher talking, you listen, pay attention. What else? What do you have to do? To the worksheets. Hey. Pass to the worksheets. Yes. That's me. Okay. So you studied diligently. You passed the worksheets. Listen to the teacher. Come to class on time. No sleeping.
I need a motivation.
Okay, so you need to. What else? What about you want to have a new iPhone 20, just like mine? There. What are you going to do? You want to have a new money. Tip money, save money. What else? Work. Yeah.
Have a job.
Yeah, have a job, but you're still studying, right? So maybe during summertime, you have a job. Just like you are studying part-time at Lotus, right? Okay. So, those are the things you're going to do as the forward and onward movement. Right? How about this? How about evolution of mobile phones? Is this progress?
Yes.
How? Evolution. So, you can also say progress is an evolution. Look at the phones. 1973. Very big and have long time. And then right now, 2005. Okay. So what can you say about the word progress? Can you just progress it? From radio. From big
Cell phone.
cell phone evolution, advance of technology is a progress. So here, during this time, phone is used for calling only. Okay? No texting. Okay? And as time passes by, right now, what are the powerful uses of phone? Yeah. AI. What else? You can research, isn't it? What else? Here, can you see your loved ones when you call? No. In here. And you can see, isn't it? Video call. FaceTime. You can watch movie here. No. Here. You can watch movies now. Games. So, progress also means advance in technology. Okay? You're going there. How about this? Look at the computer that time. Very big. Okay?
Video AP.
So, what can you say about the evolution of computer? What happened? It is also a progress. What is the computer you first use? On what time? Is one Windows 98?
No.
No?
Windows 7.
This one? Windows XP? Just this? On what time? This one, this one? Oh, you have up already. Actually, on my school in the Philippines, I have this. Yeah, very old. Okay, and then that was 1990 something when we have this. Okay, so again, progress is, imagine, very big computer that time, and now you can have a very small. Yeah. This one? iPad. Small iPad. Okay. Next. Please read this. This is from King Ramanai. Everybody read. All the nation must be carried out in stages. Okay. During that time, that is 17 for half. During the time, Thailand is not what we see today. It's not that progress. It's not that modern. So the first thing King Ram did was provide basic necessities to all the people. What is the basic necessities? Food, house, and food, house, your clothing, Okay, water. And so the first thing Digo was to provide the basic necessities of all the people. Even though King know that you must put big factories, infrastructure, he did not do that. Why? Because the people need first to eat, have houses, have clothing. Okay? Okay. So, when the foundation is given, when almost everyone have food to eat, a house to sleep, the next thing is you're going to be promoted. The next, and then when everyone have this, we make sure to have some factories where people can have jobs. Okay? We have some technologies now. So, just like you, Josh, what's your progress? First, it is stage. Okay? Imagine when you were a baby, then do you need computer at that time? Do you need iPhone? Do you need computer, a laptop that time when you were yet a toddler? No, what do you need? You need milk, food, clothing, basic first. Okay? Because that's what you need. And then when you have it already, as you grow up, you are promoted. So you're studying now. Okay? So, if King Ramanan give first the high income generating factories like manufacturing of cars, computers, but not giving food in the Philippines first, he says there will be a failure. Okay? So during the time, King says, first, give this, and then next step, when everyone will have food, give them education. Next, and when they have education, give them work. Okay? So the question now, class, I have a question. How about me? How about you? Are you progressing? Are you progressing, class? Yes. No. As a son or a daughter, are you progressing? Okay. As I told you earlier, when you were a child, your father only gave you clothing. Now you are old enough. Did you even wash the dishes?
No,
No?
I'm not there.
Did you wash your clothes?
No.
Do you help your parents?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey, are you progressing? Yes.
Yeah.
Imagine you are now M3, tonight? So last year you were M2, now you're M3. So you're progressing. Okay? Is everyone progressing? You should be. Okay? As a student, that's what I told you. So kinder, then you become platoon, grades 1 to 6. Now you are M3. So as I see, you are progressing. Okay? As a citizen, what can you do to your country? What can you do to Thailand for you to be a progressive student? What can you do for the country? Right now, not yet. Study first. Okay, then someday. But as a student, you can do something. Not just study. Just be a good student. Okay? Study well, we do hard. Right? Next. satisfaction. What is satisfaction? Please read. Everybody, meaning satisfaction. Go. One's wish, expectation, or needs, judgment derived from it. Example. You want, again you want grade 4 final grade. So when you have it, you will be satisfied. When you receive the final grade of 4, you will be satisfied. You will be happy na. Okay? What else? You want to eat tom yum for dinner. So what is the satisfaction there? So maybe tonight we will eat tom yum. You will say yes. I eat already. Satisfaction is fulfillment of one wish. What's your wish? Do you wish to become engineer? Millionaire. So how to become a millionaire? You buy lottery ticket. Aside from that, how to be millionaire? Have some business, yes.
Something ang
You're not sure. You don't know. By the way, his neck is also downward. So, what else? Notice, once there was a man, no sleepers had. I wish I had a sleeper. Now, he's been given a sleeper. Is he satisfied already? Then he saw, oh, I want that rubber sleeper. Then he goes with them, a rubber sleeper. Is he satisfied already? Do you think this man says, oh, I have a sleeper already, I'm happy? From that time, he's happy. But then he saw someone using a good sleeper. So I wish I had that one. A good sleeper, a yellow one. Do you think you'll be happy now? Already? And then we just have more. Oh! I want Adidas one. You want this? And then again, there came Piso Havaianas sleeper. An imported from Brazil. Okay? So, are you satisfied having this? Yes. Then you saw a new one. What is one? Yes. So, class, satisfaction class, new. Satisfaction is depends on people. You have an iPhone now. You want more?
I think I want to
You have iPhone 15 now, and then you said to your mom that I want iPhone 17 Pro Max, just like can you buy me one? This is an old house master. So class, instruction. You have one pen. Okay, example you have a blue pen. Is it okay for you to have only one pen? Some people, okay, I have one pen already. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. But to some, I want to have a red pen also, isn't it? I want to have 2 red pens. I want to have a black pen. So you want more satisfaction. Once you have it, you're happy. Satisfied. But the problem is, you want more. More and more. Okay. Everybody read this. Boys, read. Today, resources and information in the day. Resources and resources, which can use to strengthen the creativity and creativity of the company. The important is, hey, today you have one pen. Today you have my dice. Okay. Today you have one phone. Today you have dos. Okay. What's the important class? Read. The important is evaluate is we know how to use that resource wisely. It's not to be waste in vain to get benefits. Okay? You have to use that wisely. Title. So you have to use that wisely. Okay? You don't need to ask for more. I want more. No. The important, just like Thailand today, you have to use that wisely. Okay? Question. What are the resources in your school that we must use wisely? Look around you. What are the resources in school that you must use wisely? What are the things around that you must not waste? Yes?
I think table.
Table, yeah. So, this table is a resource, isn't it? Given to you free. So, what are you going to do to make it to use it wisely? Careful with this. You do not have to write many things on the table. What else? Book. The book. Book given to you, isn't it? Free. So what? Everything given free. The books, notebooks, what else? Papers, pens. So what are you going to do to use it wisely? What are you going to do, Tomito? Use it wisely. Use it softly. We're going to write a book. Okay? Example, you have notebook given to you, but there is nothing in it. Are you using it wisely? No. So you have to write it. That's using what? How about this? Television. How do you use this wisely? Okay, when no one's teaching, when it's not used, you go. For electric fans, what are you going to do? Turn off, we're not using. Your AC, go down to the AC. Problem, hey. You're given free food, isn't it? So, what are you going to do with the free food?
Don't waste.
Do not waste food. As much as possible, eat the food for free. Okay? Then the money your parents give you, stay in it. Okay? So, what else? Next. Then the last one. Self-sufficiency. Self-sufficiency. What's this? Everybody read the meaning. Wait, everybody read, go. Are you self-sufficient? Are you? Like this? Can you provide for your needs? No. What is this to them? Self-sufficient meaning you can provide for your own needs. Just like this. Look, this man have everything. Okay? He can provide everything for himself. So how can you achieve that? Class, how can you achieve to be self-sufficient? What are you going to do? Inventing this? No. How can you be self-sufficient? First, again, you're studying right now, isn't it? You're studying right now. What's that? Yeah, I know. You're studying right now, isn't it? Study well. Okay? Then, give your parents what your parents says. Okay? So here, the last one, please read, everybody. If everybody read, go. If we will not exploit others. Okay, stop that. If we are content with baby, you already have your phone is not broken, still working. You have to be content with your needs. Okay? I was always saying gamble. You already have money. Do not be too greedy. Because gambling is getting your friend's money. Okay? That is being self-sufficient. Okay? And one more thing. When you have a lot of money already, as you grow on, you going to use it in moderation. Moderation na. Title. Moderate. You have phone already, you don't have to buy another phone. You have tablet already, you need to buy another tablet. Okay? So, the secret to be happy is to be content with what you have now. Right now, you have no, again, Bible says, you need some boyfriend to be happy. So maybe not now. So right now, be content of what you have. Okay? And whichever you have, you must use it. Do not waste it. Okay? And for that, if you're happy, and if you're contented already, you have everything, and you're progressing, you will be happy. So, for today, these are the questions that you need to answer as the worksheet. It's time already. Please read, come on. Worksheet number 1. What will you do and how will you promote and educate about self-sufficiency? Number 1. As a son or a daughter, how will you help your family to achieve self-sufficiency? Okay? Worksheet number 2. Read. In your school, how will you teach others about self-sufficiency? What are you going to do? Okay? It's time already. Actually, I'm our time. I will send this to you and send me your answer. Okay? So much for that. Everybody set up? Okay. Before we go, is there any question? So how to be happy?
Look at me.
How to be happy? Be content. Okay? So, sana